year we got all these handbells that we just built. We got this bell here. Somebody can ring it. We're going to ring a lot of bells. Okay. So, you guys can help me over here on the big bell rack. You know, you ring this one just by... Just a nice little tug. So what we're going to do, you guys, the year 2014, it's completely arbitrary that, you know, some pope or some bishop someplace decided that he was going to start history from the moment that he decided it should start. And so that's 2014, and Seamus has got a two-person bell over there that promotes harmony when it's rung. So if you know, everybody should ring that when it promotes some harmony. So we don't really know what year it is. You know, it might as well be year 0 for us because it is the only year that really matters as far as we're concerned. But so grab some bells. What we do know though is that it takes the Earth 365 days to get around the sun, more or less. So we can bet on that. You know, and that's basically why we're here having a New Year's in the first place. So grab a bell, we're going to ring the bell 365 times, right? And so, it takes a little while, and it's loud, but it's great. And when you do that, you can think about the year to come. And each time you ring the bell, I put out a little bit of positive intention for that day that's to come. And so at least on the darkest day in 2014, I know I did something to prepare my mind for it. So.
I have a question. Instead of ringing each bell 365 times, why don't we count how many bells there are? Divide 365 by that. Yeah.
Okay, sure.
I say we just ring.
There we go. I'm going to count, but we'll all ring. We'll keep track. So ready? Okay, grab bells. Okay, let's go.